video, we're going to be bringing you to the top best hotels in Shimla with the cheapest booking codes so that you can get the best hotel at the best price.
The first up on our list is the Ballyhack Cottage by Vista Rooms. This is one of the first houses to be built in Shimla. This property is almost 2 centuries old. It is a heritage property. This villa is special because of its lush greenery, 4 terrace lawns. You can enjoy the spectacular views from this cottage. The villa is extremely well furnished, very well equipped. You can enjoy the indoor games. It also has a private entrance. They provide a cozy, homely, amazing hospitality in this villa. This villa has at least 6 rooms, each of them equipped with a private balcony where you can enjoy the breathtaking views. This villa is absolutely recommended for people who are visiting Shimla along with their families, friends or even children. The villa is priced at about 28,000 rupees per night and you can find the links in our description below. The Taj Tioga Resort and Spa is next up on our list. This is a 5-star resort in Shimla. You wake up to the breathtaking views of the snow-clad mountains from your lavish suites. You can also enjoy the experience under the stars with a personal live barbecue. You also have an option to plan your thrilling experiences with the guided tours at the resort. The Taj Resort is one of the few resorts in Shimla which has an indoor heated swimming pool. You can also enjoy the Ayurvedic massages at the Jiva Spa at the Taj Resort. They also have a fitness center and in-house restaurant providing 24-hour room service. The Taj is definitely known for its amazing hospitality. This resort has different categories of rooms available starting from 22,000 which goes up to 45,000 depending upon the category of rooms you choose. We have also attached the links in our description below for your direct booking. This is a 5-star property built during the British era that features luxurious, stunning valley views in Shimla. The hotel provides you amazing hospitality. This hotel also has a banquet hall where you can host your functions or celebrations. The hotel has a lounge and indoor game area, also different kinds of spa treatments available at their spa and salon. This hotel has an indoor swimming pool. You can also enjoy using the hot tub jacuzzi with spectacular views. This hotel has different categories of rooms available. The rooms here are extremely spacious and comfortable. They are priced at about 12,000 rupees which goes up to 75,000 rupees depending upon which category room you choose. To make it easier for you, we have attached the links in our description below. The Radisson Jazz Shimla is next up on our list. This is one of the 5-star hotels in Shimla where you can enjoy the views of the lush green hills and distant snow-clad peaks from your suites. Some of the rooms here also provide you with a private garden. This hotel has a luxurious spa offering Asian and European massages as well. It is one of the only hotels in Shimla where it has a temperature-controlled multi-tiered outdoor swimming pool. This hotel also has a banquet as well as a lawn where you can organize any kind of celebration or functions. The hotel also has a multi-cuisine restaurant as well as a bar at the hotel. This hotel has different categories of rooms available starting from 9,000 rupees which goes up to 15,000 rupees depending upon the category of room you select. To make it easier for you, we have attached the links in our description below. The Marina Shimla is next up on our list. This is Shimla's first designer boutique hotel, also one of the 5-star hotels in Shimla. The rooms here offer beautiful, imposing hills, picture-perfect landscapes which are all set to turn your trip into a perfect holiday. This hotel is situated at Mall Road, which is the center of the city, which makes it accessible to all the tourist points. The hotel has a fitness center, it has an indoor swimming pool, it also has an in-house restaurant as well as a bar. You can enjoy the amazing views of the beautiful city from your bedroom windows. This hotel is recommended for people who are traveling along with their family and want to explore this beautiful city. Now the hotel has different categories of rooms available priced at about 10,000 rupees which goes up to 25,000 rupees depending upon the category of room that you select. To make it easier for you, we've attached the links in our description below.
If you're enjoying this video, please drop us a like button and also do subscribe to our channel to get information about various hotel deals in different cities.
The Clarks Hotel is next up on our list. This is one of the oldest grand heritage hotels in Shimla which was built in 1898. It is also one of the 4-star hotels in Shimla where you can enjoy the royal experience and amazing hospitality. This hotel is located in Mall Road which is the center of the city which makes it accessible to all the tourist spots. The hotel can also make arrangements for any kind of special occasion that you want to celebrate at the hotel. The hotel has an in-house restaurant, a bar, a lounge as well as a coffee shop. It is also one of the hotels where you can enjoy the views of the lush green hills and also this beautiful city. Now this hotel has different categories of rooms available starting from 8,000 rupees which goes up to 12,000 rupees depending upon the room category that you select. The Welcome Hotel by IDC Shimla is next up on our list. This is one of the 5-star hotels away from the crowd where you can enjoy the mesmerizing views of the hills. It is 20 minutes away from the plush evergreen forest where you can enjoy picture perfect Himalayas served as a backdrop. This hotel provides with all the basic amenities and facilities. It has a car hire available at the resort. The hotel has a fitness center, a bar, as well as a restaurant providing 24-hour room service with a wide spread of multi-cuisine menu. It is also one of the ideal hotels where you want to spend time with your family and your loved ones. The hotel here has different categories of rooms available starting from 12,000 rupees which goes up to 22,000 rupees. And to make it easier for you, we've attached the links in our description below. The Northwood Cottage by Vista Rooms is next up on our list. This is one of the heritage properties which was built in 1916. This cottage is one of the most reasonable options for people looking for a villa in Shimla. You can relax yourself at the lounge corner and enjoy the walks at the beautiful lush green garden in the cottage. The cottage also has services like outdoor sports and indoor games like billiards and darts. You can also work out and burn the calories at the in-house gym. This cottage is very well equipped with the basic amenities and facilities. This cottage is a 3 BHK which is priced at around 18,000 rupees which also includes a complimentary breakfast. Please note that this cottage is not for unmarried couples or bachelors. They only provide this cottage for family and married couples. And to make it easier for your booking, we have provided the links in our description below. The Marley Villa is next up on our list. This is 5 minutes away from the Shimla Mall, also known as the heart of Shimla. The guests here can enjoy the beautiful sunset and sunrise from the property itself. They have beautiful lush green lawns overlooking the valley. There is also a beautiful fireplace in the dining hall. This villa provides you with all the basic facilities and amenities. It also has an indoor gaming section. It has a barbecue section, a bonfire. They also have a separate tours and treks desk where you can plan your day tours. This villa also has an in-house restaurant providing you 24-hour room service. This villa is absolutely family and kid friendly. It is priced at around 9,900 rupees for a 3 BHK. We have also attached the links in our description below for your direct booking. The Orchid Shimla is next up on our list. This is one of the 5-star hotels with amazing city views where the guests can access to a garden and a terrace for enjoying their spectacular views. This hotel has the largest banquet halls in Shimla. It is also one of the best venues for weddings in Shimla. So for those of you planning a wedding in Shimla, can definitely consider this hotel. The hotel has a seasonal outdoor pool, a fitness center, a bar as well as an in-house restaurant providing 24-hour room service. You can enjoy the continental buffet breakfast every morning at the hotel. Now this hotel has different categories of rooms available starting from 5,800 which goes up to 22,500 depending upon the category of room that you select. To make it easier for you, we have attached the links in our description below.
That's it from us guys. These are the top best hotels in Shimla. We hope we've helped you select the best hotels for your stay. This is Divya from Adira Travel signing off. We wish you a safe and a pleasant journey. Bye bye.